This one's a fun one. So, which command finds and fixes file table problems on a Windows computer? A few different options here. You need to find which one of them it is. Let's go over a few of the wrong ones, and then we're going to talk about what they do so you know why they're wrong. So our goal here is we have a Windows computer and we want to find and fix file table issues. So issues with the file tables. Let's start off with something that I know is wrong, and it's format. Format is going to do, if anything, it's going to do the opposite. Format is used to erase all data on a specific disk, a drive, an SSD, hard drive. It is going to essentially just erase all the data and prepare it for a specific file system. So if you're on Mac OS, you have specific file systems and general file systems. Same thing with Windows, but it won't fix file table problems. It's just not meant to do that. Formatting is just erasing, essentially. Next, we have SFC. And SFC is good, and you might want to run it if you have file table problems, but it's not going to fix it, and it's not directly related to it. What SFC stands for is a system file checker. It's used to scan and repair corrupt system files. So only system files. It's not going to fix the file table problems though. So SFC is out. Then we have DISM. So DISM. It's used for both managing and repairing Windows images. So you can think of any files on your computer that end in .win. Those are Windows files. Now, even though they're made for managing and repairing these Windows files, they're not for file table issues. So this is also not going to be our answer. Our answer is going to be chkdsk. Now, chkdsk is used for diagnosing and repairing file system errors, and this includes file table problems. The chkdsk command is used in Windows to find and fix these problems. Bad sectors, file table errors. It can repair issues with the file system and the metadata. So if you run chkdsk, you would then put the drive. So let's say you want it on your D drive, put your D, and then you have your colon, and now you would put any kind of specifics you want. So /F, that's going to fix any errors on the disk. /R is going to locate any bad sectors and attempt to recover the readable information. So again, let's go over a few of these. DISM is used for repairing Windows files. Format is just erasing, and then SFC is to scan and repair corrupt system files. But chkdsk is what we want to use. Chkdsk is the command that finds and fixes file table problems on a Windows computer.